So on the bird dog exercise, the first thing I want you to do is find what neutral spine is for you. So I want you to go through a progression where you're extending here and then rounding and then finding the middle of that. Now as you go through this exercise, and I wish I would have done this a little bit better in the video, but make sure your head, there's a straight line all the way through here. Now as you initiate this exercise, like every other exercise, I want you to fill and brace with good abdominal pressure, intra-abdominal pressure, and have that intra-abdominal pressure throughout this whole exercise while you breathe. Now when you initiate the opposite arm, opposite leg, I really want you lengthening, getting long through the heel, all the way through the back and neck and through the hand. Try to touch the walls with your heel in your hand. Nice and strong position. Bring it in, sweep the table, and then back out, getting long, maintaining good neutral spine through here and intra-abdominal pressure as you go through this exercise, and then switching sides and doing the exact same. Really strong. This is a simple exercise, but it's also really simple and easy to mess up. So take your time with it, take it step by step, and really hone in on the important parts of this, which is maintaining intra-abdominal pressure and lengthening.